Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here today. As you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Sonoma Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. This stock was up over 50% during the trading day today. Obviously at its close, that's where it was. After hours, it just kind of continued to drop down 11 more percent. But when you're up 50% in a single day, that's an insane day. That is a crazy day. And even when you're down 11% after hours, you still are having a very, very good day overall. So even though that looks kind of rough at first glance, you have to take everything in context and also understand that this stock opened up at 11.17. It got as high as like 12.50, it looks like. So it did cool off. It did kind of chill out as the day went on, but still, where its previous close was 5.41, it ended up closing today around 8.15, and even now after hours it's 7.24, which are all still significant moves upward from yesterday's close. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about what exactly is going on with SNOA, why it popped so high so fast, and maybe what the future has in store for this one. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're trying really hard to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're getting there. We're getting close, slowly but surely, and we get there a little bit faster with your guys' help. Click that button real quick. With that being said, here we go. So this year has been an interesting one. 2021 I'm talking about for SNOA. A lot of volatility on this year-to-date graph, if it'll load. Starting the year at 731, and again right now it's right about there, 724. So maybe even a little bit down year-to-date, but all the time a ton of volatility, ramping up from 731 to being up 32% in February, and then from February being down 26% in March. I mean, it seems like every month there's either a big upward jump or a big downward move, and obviously we're sitting around kind of 52-week lows, or at least year-to-date lows for the last 8 months at 535 before we finally popped again. So it will be interesting to see if they're able to hold these gains, if they're able to trade sideways for a little while, kind of consolidate around a price, build up some resistance and stuff, or if there's going to keep leapfrogging all around, going up and down and up and down. If that's what's going to do, you got to be prepared for that. You got to have the strategy for that as well. There is ways to make money in stocks that are going up and down and up and down, but it's going to be way different than just kind of a stock that's maybe way less volatile and way more stable. But this one is sitting at a $17 million market cap right now, so tiny micro cap stock. And with micro cap stocks like that, especially pharmaceutical companies, that volatility is going to be expected. That volatility is not going anywhere anytime soon. You just kind of, if you're an investor, if you're a shareholder, if you're a believer in this company, you hope it's more upward volatility than downward. But a lot of the gains won't hold. A lot of the losses will kind of bounce back quick. That's just the name of the game with stocks like this. But as far as today, as far as what happened, why was it up 50%? Why was it up upwards of 100% intraday? And this is because, from this article, Yahoo Finance, why Sonoma Pharma stock was skyrocketing on Thursday. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals stock doubled in reaction to the launch of 2 new dental products. Orogenix Oral Hygiene Rinse is Sonoma's second dental product in the United States and was developed with its partner Gabriel Science LLC. Additionally, Sonoma and its partner Medical System Solutions have launched Microdacin Oral Care for professional and consumer use in Switzerland. After launching Endocin for root canal irrigation in December 2020, Sonoma's second dental product in the United States is an oral hygiene rinse. Orogenix Oral Hygiene Rinse uses Sonoma's patented Microdacin technology to cleanse teeth, gums, and mouth. In Europe, Microdacin 60 oral care is intended to combat oral and pharyngeal infections and inflammation and reduce pain and coughing. So really big news. I mean, obviously it seems like even dating back to December 2020, this company has been active. They've been developing new products, new treatments, just new products in all different kinds of markets in the United States and in Switzerland. So they're kind of all over the globe, trying to be very proactive in getting these products out, which is cool. I'm sure, it's probably pretty expensive in terms of research and development and all that, but at least they're actually doing something. So many of these companies, have a bunch of trials and maybe get approved for stuff, get denied for stuff. They hype up a bunch of new products, but stuff doesn't actually ever come to market. I do think that SNOA actually getting products out to multiple different markets, multiple different products, is a very good sign. They are trying, they are being active, they are being aggressive. Now, Are these products going to do well? Will they perform at market? Are they going to sell? Are they going to be really, really profitable? Are they going to be tough to market and sell to people? Are they going to be expensive to market and sell to people? That will kind of, be left to be seen. Obviously, it seems like investors are really excited about these two new products coming to market. Obviously, some of the excitement maybe was an overreaction at the beginning of the trading day because it has just kept selling off and selling off and selling off. So maybe people overreacted at first, and now we're trying to find what these products should actually be valued at for the future. But it's definitely very, very interesting, and I think at least makes SNOA maybe an interesting stock to keep on your watch list, to look into the future, to do some research into these products and whether or not you think they are going to be good for this company. Because again, this is a tiny, tiny company. They don't need a ton of home run products to really explode in value. If they get one, maybe two products in one or two big markets, I mean, you can increase from a $17 million market cap very, very fast. But if you're spending a bunch of money, losing a bunch of money, and things aren't going well, there is much lower room to fall than just $17 million. Do not forget that. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you do enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about SNOA. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to save today and all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.